Good morning. My name is Brian Johnston, or brijon, as commonly known on the Forex Factory and other places. Today I want to talk about the pit bull trader and how to make your own pit bull trader for trading the Forex. The reason I use pit bull trader is in the old days, one used to trade using up on the wall in the exchanges, looking at the arrows of the currencies, charts, etc. Red arrows going down, blue arrows going up. And similar here, we've made it by using 14 currencies in the beginning, 7 long, 7 short. We put all the US dollars currencies long, and in the first place, and the JPYs short. So we wanted to create a screen like a pit bull trader that you trade without indicators and simply the old-fashioned way of printing money. Any trader can trade the Forex and print money. It's very, very simple to do, especially using a pit bull trader. It's just simply here, the bottom line, that's the one that's losing the less, 0.01, or when it goes into profit, it is the currency that's traveling the fastest right now. So there's your prospect tool. You also have various things in our charts, and we're going to use them later on and show you. But you don't need a thing to that. Now, as to printing money, we did today $500 worth already, and it's only 1:33 p.m. and I've been out shopping. But look, there's no secret to printing money. Anyone can print money. The problem is, to be a real good trader, is controlled drawdown. And this account was 10,000. It's grown by through sales. This is like a business, trading a business. Equity growth. The growth is 9,536 in just under a month. And the drawdown is that, which is in business. We're talking equity, sales growth. This is the sales growth. Boom, 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 boom. In these few weeks, this is not last month we did big, but we've been trading and showing people this month how to do this pit bull terrier screen. Okay, so we created our own screen and we have to pay for it because that's the broker's money that's coming in here in a little, say, 5 pips on each one, and you can count them. If we have 20, that's $100, etc. But you don't really count it that way. That as we buy stock, it's like this is like our little overdraft facility. And how much overdraft facility should you have for trading? 10% of your account balance, perhaps, is the maximum. So that's 1,953. But we opened to a 10, and we've grown it to 9. We're able to have a lot more overdraft facility and use other people's money. So imagine this is a shop and this is your stock. This is your stock, and this is your watching the customers come in and go out and buy, isn't it? So as these come down and it goes plus, this is getting hot. Customers coming in. He's looking at the counter, and we're waiting for that to go minus nothing, plus 3. We got 3 little people coming in. Plus 5. Okay, very rough analogy. This here gives us a second little chart. And what does that little chart tell you? It's an order, sure, because you got a little chart, a line chart. You have the highest highs going down or up, and the lowest lows are they going up or down, and you have the spread of the broker's spread, or as quite often it's the money you're paying. The broker's pips he's ripping out of you. And currently that spread is 55, about 20 pips, 20, or whatever it is. But there it is. So we're looking. It's got to go. It's pretty. The stability of it shows you how quiet it is, and if it stays very stable and you're in the profit and you're quick enough, down here, if that goes +5, +6, +4, whatever, and it goes stable, that means this is not jumping. These two charts, the highs and the sells, are staying pretty close, and they're staying safe. So the moment that goes into profit, you can take the profit, can't you? Of course you can. But let's look at some other things. So we say 20 pips. So whatever, you say that is comes up to +5. You can put another one on, and what happens? You don't take that order straight away. You just look up here and you find it. Have we got another JPY currency? US dollar JPY. US dollar JPY. See that? Now, when does that come into taking, just quickly taking a trade? You're watching your screen and you look at it and you say, well, where is that bloody thing? The US dollar JPY, and we look up here and it's still up here. And we want it so that when the price it starts moving up, we want that to go down. We're trying to, and I used this morning this with Russell, Pixie, and Hoji's just to show how easy it is to print money. So what do? We're going to take this out for a minute, and we in that time I think the following trades were done: 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 trades. I think it was 4 while they were here online and before I went out to the shop. These are just some printing money I've done after. If anyone can do it, it's not hard. It's just looking at this. This is your currency screen, your pitbull trader screen. Yeah, that's what I call it. It's trading like the old days. You didn't need indicators. You looked at the ticker tape, then you got your feed coming into the screen, and then you just look to what's moving. Where's the money? Let's chase the money. There's the money down here at the moment. All these are. It's not really enough money yet for us. We don't want to get in timing. We want that to be making money before we put an order in. So when we put that order in, and if that, see, it's very quiet. We like volatility. So when that volatility comes in, we want to put a trade in, don't we? These ones, the Australian dollar and the euro. Where is that euro one lot currency? Doesn't things get hidden? When you're looking at a screen, sometimes I can't find bloody anything in there. It's at the top. See those two currencies at the top? Why are they there? Why are they one lot? One lot. Because they make us money on the triple rollover. They are interest-paying currencies. Sometimes you have to go to the screen and look at it and show it to you. So we want to look at that. We don't want to use this screen, but look, where is it? It's not on that one. Damn it, I missed it. But where can you find that money? We don't. All indicators. These are toys people play with. I play with it. I love toys. So we got to go to Market Watch and we look at the currencies in there, in the symbols, how much they pay from this broker. But we'll look at the Euro AUD properties, and it pays 9.76 if it's short. What have we done? Let's go back. We've put a buy on it. Now, that is totally wrong. Why is it wrong? Because when we're trading here for the US brokers, we can't put that. If we want to put it the correct way around, you're going to pay interest on that, aren't you? If we put that on correct, now we would have to put on a short. But you can't do that, only in brokers over here in Australia and in Europe. The nasty US brokers won't let you do same currency hedging. We're going to do it because we're going to show you same currency hedging. We're allowed, you can't do it in America. So shut your eyes for a second. You're going to see what we got and be jealous. You know, and we got a buy on here. Now you can't do this, but I'm going to show you anyway what you can do in Australia. We have put on here a hedge on that one currency, the same currency hedge, haven't we? And there, the sell and the buy. You're not allowed to do this, but I want to put this in deliberately, as we don't care too much about this here. We want to demonstrate some principles of hedge trading. Hedge trading. And we want to see what's happening in a hedge trade. So in a hedge trade, where you're very, very fortunate, you can trade the same currency, can't you? You can have a buy and a sell on the same currency, and you don't care whether which way they go. You've always hedged your bet. You've hedged your bet, so straight away you can quickly lock in and fix your profit between those two. That's what you can do in hedge betting. In future, I will not do this on this platform because we want to give every help we can to our US guys and help them beat their own government brokers' policy of cutting them out of trading the forex easy. We want to show you a way around it so you can trade the forex easy, and later on I will not put the same currency on. I should smack myself, but I did it this morning and I'm going to do it again now just to show you that you can do same currency trading and you can make money. Now this is a screen, a board, and do not look at these two on here, and look at the one, the euro US dollar going down here, and if it goes down to the bottom here and goes into profit, we can certainly take the trade, can't we? If we want to take a profit. Okay, we'll have to wait because maybe one of them will go down and one won't. These are interest driving currencies, so we want on before the triple swap, one long, one short, to pay us 9% on that and say 7 or 8 on the Australian dollar. Imagine $80 in interest over at weekly month is 320 and roughly 3 grand in a year. It's not to be sneezed at as a little icing on the cake. 3 grand a year is certainly 30% on your money on a 10,000 account, isn't it? And most people would love to earn that, but we're going on with our trade. Notice our drawdown is a little bit locked at the moment because this 1 and 1, one buy, one sell. Look at the buy, it's moving down, and the sell is staying up. So we could end up with the magic square. That's a thing. If you see a buy on this currency up the top and a sell on the bottom, you've got a little square going. You're covering a range. Range trading, trend trading, you can all do it on your platform without any indicators. These are your indicators. These are what we call slot positions. Nothing new, just a new way of doing the 101s method with brijon's addition and making a Pitbull Traders platform viewing screen where everything here is said. You don't need indicators. Anyone can print money. That's the easy part. What's the hard part? Trading is controlling drawdown. Is always controlling drawdown. That's my first quick one for you, just to test out the sound on it and give it to our boys, and then we'll go next video, even a tighter one, showing you a few more tricks and tips. Okay, bye for now from Brian. God bless.